In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust taxes and duties settings in your Shopify store with ease. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure you have a smooth experience managing your store's financial settings. All right, let's dive in. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Shopify homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to log in to your Shopify account if you haven't already done so. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your Shopify dashboard. Next, look to the lower left corner of your screen and find the Settings option. Click on it to access the various settings available for your store. Once you've opened the Settings menu, locate the Taxes and Duties section and click on it. This area focuses specifically on how taxes and duties are managed for your products and transactions. Shopify provides several options to configure how your taxes are calculated, charged to customers, and reported. Within the Taxes and Duties section, direct your attention to the Tax Service option and give it a click. This takes you further into settings that dictate how you want your store to handle taxes. Next, you'll want to head over to Global Settings. Here, you have the opportunity to uncheck any configurations you may want to adjust. This is useful if you wish to change existing tax applications and ensure they align with your current business practices. Having taken care of your tax settings, let's switch gears and head back to the main dashboard by clicking the Dashboard button. Now, navigate over to Online Store shown on the left-hand column. Click on it, and you'll arrive at a new set of options specific to the design and content of your online store. Once on your online store page, look for an icon that resembles three vertical dots, or often called the More Options button. Click on it to display more editing features for your store. Next, you're going to select Edit Default Theme Content from the drop-down that appears. This option allows you to tailor the text and labels used across your store's theme. In this section, spot a search icon on the upper right side of your screen and click it. This tool will help streamline your workflow by allowing you to find specific settings you're looking to adjust. Go ahead and type taxes into the search bar and see what pops up. You will be redirected to a section where you can manage how taxes are labeled on your store, and you should see an option titled Taxes Label. Click on that and modify the text so that it conveys tax-free if that aligns with your business model. Lastly, while you're still in this management section, also include any relevant details about checkout shipping duties and taxes options. These options ensure that throughout a customer's purchase journey, they're provided with accurate information related to shipping duties and taxes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully managed the tax settings within your Shopify store to suit your business needs. Thanks for watching and happy selling.